In this video, you will learn how to get fast captchas. Whenever you open to captcha, your app will be loading very slowly means there are few tricks you have to follow to make it faster. Watch this video fully and learn the trick and you can also work faster. These tricks not only for to captcha, it will increase your phone speed. I'll tell you how to increase the speed, how to work fast. Now the captcha is loading very slow. From now onwards, we'll start applying the trick. Please wait and watch the video fully. Now close the 2Captcha app. Go to Play Store. Download Connection Stabilizer app. It's called Connection Stabilizer app. Just type like this. You can see the symbol Connection Stabilizer and Booster. Always just activate this app, the right side. If you activate this, your network will be little bit faster. Not only this, there are few more tips to make your 2Captcha work fast and phone also will be very fast. After connecting the connection stabilizer, just close this. Now open your phone settings. In this, you have to activate developer option. Developer option will be in about phone. About phone is in the bottom of settings. Just click that and open it. Click software information and click on build number 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you click 7 times, you will get the option developer mode has been enabled. So it will be available in and below of developer option. Otherwise it will be available in more settings or additional settings you can find in your phone. It depends on your phone. You have to find where the developer option has been located. Click that and just note it down what and all the option I am saying. You have to switch on the option to make your mobile and network to increase the speed. The first option, just keep on watching how many settings I am activating. Logger buffer sizes. Logger buffer sizes, just click on 16M. The next one is keep on watching. Pointer location, this is not to increase the speed, just to see where you are touching, not this one. Show tabs, just switch on this. It helps to see where to touch, where you are touching your screen. Next one is animation, window animation scale. Always switch off the Windows animation scale and transmission animation scale. Switch off these three options. Animator duration scale, it will open the app very fast. Next option is strict mode enable. If you switch on the strict mode enable, you can stop the background application. If anything running on background, it will stop automatically. The current application will work very fast. Now don't keep activities, that also switch on. And background process limit, no background process, select like this. Okay, now everything is done. Now close the settings. Now open 2Captcha app. Now let's see how fast it is working. can see somewhat speed has been increased, the pictures has been loading fast. Even the tick also getting very fast. By this way you can increase the speed and you can work faster. See the tick how it is getting faster. Statues. See how faster it is loading. In this way you can match even 6 to 10 captchas within 1 minute. I might be working slow, but if you work faster than me, you can get more income. Yeah. But surely you can realize the speed how it is loading. See the picture how it is loading faster. Very simple. So apply this trick, you can also work faster. And if you don't understand anything, please watch the video again. If you have any doubt, please message me. I will explain what and all the things you have to reset. Now I'll close this video and you can continue. I'll tell you the last one trick. Still, if you are getting any slow option, the very simple tricks everyone knows, just switch off and switch on flight mode, that is airplane mode, again and again very often. Many times if you switch on and switch off airplane mode, your network will be very fast. So always switch on and switch off airplane mode often. When you are getting slow connection, just switch on an airplane mode, you will get pictures very fast. That is the main trick. I think it's enough for the explanation. Any doubts, please message me. Thank you.